Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Oric XL and Tell Show. Today we will be doing the vacuum cleaner collection show today. So please stand by. I will do a showing of my space and where I keep my stuff and how I work on my stuff. So please stay tuned for that. Now, also, if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe. I would like that. Now, I'm going to start showing where I keep my vacuums. So I keep all my vacuum cleaners in this room right here. So this is a dollhouse. I've got a Kirby hang on, let me move this back. Stuff out of the way. So I have a Kirby Heritage 2 Turbo. And I actually got this one at a church. The pastor gave it to me. And when I saw it, I thought, why would a church have a $3,000 Kirby in their closet? So I took that one. And then this next one I have, I'm going to move some boxes. It is my Kirby G4. I got this for my birthday. A couple at my church gave it to me as a birthday present. So I'm thanking them. I also have this Kirby here. This is my Kirby Generation 3. And if you notice, this does have the G6 style mini Mtor. And as we go up the bag, the handle, I forgot to clip the bag in, so hang on, I'll clip that in. I bought that vacuum for $150 from a guy named Rick. He's a vacuum cleaner expert. He told me a lot about Kirby's and stuff. Let's see here. Where did I have it? Let me go get my other. So this is my 44 Electrolux Model 30. I did have this rewired. I did have a new hose for it as well. This was serviced June of 2021. Today is April 30th, 2023, so it was serviced a little bit before 2 years now. They did replace the cord because it had the original cord. The original cord fit better than the new cord because they put a 1970s Kirby cord on here. And if I put it in here, alright, it seems like it fits, but it's supposed to be tight. It just, if you trip over it, comes out. So that is a thing I will have to look at. It does have working exhaust doors. The exhaust does work. It does work, but I just need to figure out how to get the cord together. Let's see what else. I am also going to show some of my grandparents' vacuum cleaners here. This is my grandparents' Oric. It's an Oric XL. It's a 1-speed. It's an Oric XL 2600. This is the Oric that has a plug underneath the handle. So, if you are interested in one, I recommend you would go to an Oric store that you could trade in like a newer Oric for an older one, so you can like downgrade to one of these old style ones. Here's the back of it. You change the belt on that side, change the lights by the 2 screws up top. Here's the bottom of it. Yeah, we do need to replace the bristle because the bristle does not have very much bristle left. I also have my grandparents' Oreck XL CC1600 canister vacuum cleaner. It's real quiet. Oh, and I also have another. My other canister is the Oreck XL BB880 AW canister vacuum. This one's super rare because you don't find one with blue lettering. They're usually in black lettering. I got this for Christmas in 2019 from my aunt. And also, to mention, I also have this house. Now, I do use. Okay, so if I grab the Oreck, I have this hose here. Now, I use the Electrolux hose because my Oreck hose broke a long time ago, so I just use this hose. It works really well. I just took an adapter, put it inside of it. It still works on the Electrolux. It's good. I do have some metal wands here. I wonder why it's taped up well. On my Kirby, I like to use the suction control grip, and it wasn't sealing the holes always. So it wasn't have a not proper efficiency of suction. So I just took some Scotch tape and I just taped it around the holes to where when you put it on there, it can spin like your turbo brush. Still at an excellent speed. I do have the zip brush to the Kirby as well, but that's upstairs. See, I have a crevice tool. This goes to my Oreck. I do have a Kirby belt. I have an adapter for my Easy Spares turbo brush for the carpet. The Kirby upholstery tool. The Kirby portable handle. Let me get this out. The wall and ceiling brush. I have both Kirby genuine extension brushes. And I have the dusting brush somewhere. I forgot where the dusting brush is. So I will be looking for a dusting brush in a second. It's in this box here. Oh, another cool item I wanted to show you that came with my Electrolux was the sprayer. Oh. What is it? Designed like that? Oh, it is designed like that, huh? This one still has cardboard. I don't know if you can see it though, if the camera would focus. There's still cardboard inside of it. Just a second. So I will have to pause the video. I will have to go to Old Town Donuts to get some donuts for breakfast. So I will see you after then. Bye bye.